Hey there, everybody. Adam at X-Laser here, and welcome to another episode of 2 Billion Ways to Screw Up a Circle. So today we're going to try and do something a little slower, a little calmer. I'm going to go ahead and the first way I'm going to screw this up is by crushing one axis of my circle. Now I'm going to come into waves, and I'm going to do a pre-prism radial sine wave. Sine waves are a lot smoother than ramp waves and triangle waves, generally speaking. Bump up a amplitude, find a wavelength, and give it a little speed. Something nice and slow and calm. So I'm just going to mess with our wavelength a bit till I find something I like. Bump up our amplitude. There we go. We got this weird little morphing thing. See if I can take some of that distortion out. There we go. So now we've got this cool little infinity symbol that's sort of shifting into itself. Let's go ahead and split that with a prism. I'll do a 1/3. Let's rotate those from each other. Let's do 120 degrees, so they should be pretty even. Yeah. And now let's go ahead and change our spacing to 0. There we go. Now they're on the same center, and I love that effect. I want to stick with that. Let's go ahead and let's see what it looks like with a post wave. We'll do radial sine. Some amplitude. Oh, nope. I ruined it. That's cool in a different way, but yeah, I definitely just ruined it. Alright, well, that's actually pretty neat. Kill that amplitude. And kill that wave. Okay. So now let's go ahead and add some color to it. I'm going to do a post radial gradient, so it'll be emanating from the center of the whole thing. Let me do a red core, and I'll leave the rest of it white. All right, there. So now we've got a nice, calm, sort of orbiting atom kind of thing. If you've got your own ways to screw up a circle, go ahead and record them, send them in, and we'll send you some free stuff as a thank you. We'd love to see some of the innovative and inventive stuff that you guys are doing. Thanks, and see you next time.